Sahid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to talk about the OnePlus Nord N200 device, which is a budget mid-range segment mobile phone which has got launched from the OnePlus device. So I'll try to talk about the specifications and all the leaks and rumors about the price and everything about this OnePlus Nord 200. So let's see, friends, what are the things to know about this device, and in case if this phone gets launched in India, so make sure to comment below, will you be able to buy this kind of price range or not. The price of this phone is going to be about $239 as you can see, friends. If you convert into the Indian rupees, it will come approximately close to 17,000 Indian rupees. That is what approximate kind of price right now which is there. And do let me know in the comments below in case if the price of this phone, if it launches in India for the price about 17,000, will you be able to buy it or not? So make sure to comment below. So first let's talk about the processor. The processor of this OnePlus Nord 200 and 200 going to have the Snapdragon 480 5G processor, as you can clearly see, friends, 480 5G. So in terms of the Antutu benchmark test results for the Snapdragon 480 5G, we can expect up to 2,70,000 and 2,80,000 if you use the Antutu version 8. So that is what I did find out in the online. As you can see, 2,62,000 we are getting the score. So for 2,62,000 Antutu benchmark score and the price range of 17,000. So now we are seeing the mobile phones which are having the 3 lakhs above Antutu benchmark score for this kind of price range. Yes, friends, 3 lakhs above, but that is only one side of the processor which is comparing only the Antutu benchmark test. That is not exactly correct, and the real time test will be completely different. So in terms of the Antutu benchmark test results, so these are the quick results on this Snapdragon 480 chipset 5G. So let's move to the display. In terms of the display, we are seeing another thing which is LTPS. If you see this LTPS, you will be remembering the Huawei phones. Mostly they use the LTPS IPS LCD panels. They are slightly saturated more than the normal IPS LCD panels. So slightly better advantage, little bit, but not much. And 90 Hz. So we are seeing for this kind of 17,000 rupees with the 120 Hz AMOLED panel mobile phones, and here we got the 90 Hz and LTPS IPS LCD panel. So 6.49 inches of screen size of this OnePlus Nord 200 is going to be having. And on top of that, you do get the micro SD card support as well, and which will be having the UFS storage 2.1 and 4GB RAM and 64GB RAM variant, 64GB internal storage variant. These are the exact detail for the performance and the display details. So for this kind of size 6.44 inches, we are getting the weight about 189 grams. The reason why the weight is more, we'll get to know in the next. Because of this huge battery, which is a 5000 mAh of battery which will be powering this OnePlus mobile phone. Yes, friends, 5000 mAh, that's really good. And you are getting the 18 watts charger. So that's not very fast, but you're getting only 18 watts charger. They could have included the 30 watts, but that's not the case, only 18 watts and 5000 mAh battery. So camera is really weak, friends. Camera is totally disappointed. You do get only 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel. That's totally ridiculous. Nowadays we are seeing 108 megapixel in this kind of price range and 13 megapixel in this OnePlus phone. And if it gets launches in India, that is what I'm trying to compare. If it doesn't get, no problem. But you can see the single camera which has got the front camera with 16 megapixel, as you can see, and the back camera can shoot only 1080p. There is no 4K at all from this 13 megapixel. You do have the stereo speaker setup, and 3.5mm jack is also available in this phone. And on the top of that, you do get the Bluetooth 5.1. There is no information about the Wi-Fi 6 as well. As you can clearly see, there is no information about Wi-Fi 6, and you do get the fingerprint side mounted connection. As you can see, there is a fingerprint unlock as well. So overall, after going to the specifications and all the details and everything, so what do you think the price of this phone from the OnePlus brand should be there? So I think maybe if it gets launched close to 13 to 14,000 from this OnePlus brand, that would be really great. I think they are planning to come back to this kind of mid-range segment mobile phone, and slowly they are coming to the low-end segment mobile phone as well. That's a really good thing, because we can get this kind of really good brand in this kind of low budget range as well, which will be really competition for the other mobile phones. But this phone should have little bit kind of strong advantages, like Super AMOLED can be fine, and having really good camera also another drawback for this. Not having good camera, not having AMOLED skin, not having the fast charging, these are the not having even the better kind of processors, so not having higher refresh rate. There are so many disadvantages for this phone at this point. But let's see what will be the price the never settle the OnePlus phone will be choosing to keep for this phone if it gets launched in India. So thank you for watching this video, friends. These are the quick rumors and leaks about this complete product and what are the prices has been announced. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates and leaks and rumors. And thank you for watching, and seeing the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.